Experience the height of luxury and sophistication as we take you on a tour of the Hamptons' most amazing old money mansions, where extravagance meets elegance. The Hamptons have long been a haven for the ultra-wealthy, and the mansions that line the coast are a testament to their opulence and extravagance. On number 4, we have Fairfield Pond. In the village of Sagaponak, which is part of the town of Southampton in the Hamptons, New York, sits the opulent home known as Fairfield Pond. With a reputed worth of nearly $170 million, it ranks among the most expensive mansions in the country. Rennet, an American investor and businessman, constructed the mansion in 1999. It has 63 acres of land and other opulent features like 29 bedrooms, 39 bathrooms, a 91-foot dining room, and a 164-seat screening room. A 4-lane bowling alley, a basketball court, tennis courts, a squash court, and a $150,000 hot tub are also included in the mansion's amenities. Due to its enormous size and potential environmental effects, the construction of Fairfield Pond stirred debate in the Hamptons neighborhood. The mansion was constructed on what had previously been a potato field, and rennet is said to have brought in 500 truckloads of sand to build the estate's personal beach. Despite the controversy, Fairfield Pond continues to be one of the Hamptons' most recognizable and opulent homes, and it is frequently highlighted in media and entertainment. On number 3, we have Milestone at Meadow Lane. On the prestigious Meadow Lane oceanfront section of the Hamptons, Southampton, New York is home to the opulent mansion known as Milestone. The mansion was constructed in 1919 in the chateau style, which is distinguished by its opulence and refined architectural design. Robert Brooks, the creator of the Hooters restaurant chain, later bought the mansion that businessman Henry Ford's company hired architect John Custis Lawrence to create. Among its many features are a big ballroom, a billiards area, 18 bedrooms, and 22 bathrooms. The estate also has a 400-foot oceanfront with a private beach, a spa with a sauna and steam room, a pool, a tennis court, and other amenities. One of the most luxurious and distinguished estates in the Hamptons, Milestone at Meadow Lane is a highly sought-after location for upscale gatherings and charity events. It stands out from many of the other houses in the neighborhood, thanks to its French-inspired chateau style, and its grandeur and grace make it a truly outstanding and classic piece of architecture. Continue watching the video till the end as the upcoming 2 mansions are worth exploring. On number 2, we have The Creeks. The Creeks is a grand mansion in East Hampton, New York, renowned for its expansive grounds and opulent style. Ronald Perelman, an American businessman, hired famous architect Francis Fleetwood to construct the mansion in 2002. On almost 60 acres of property, The Creeks offers breathtaking views of Georgica Pond. The mansion has a traditional shingle-style architecture that is typical of many of the old houses in the Hamptons. Its steeply pitched roofs, numerous gables, and pronounced chimneys define its appearance. The mansion's interior boasts an astonishing 12 bedrooms, 12 bathrooms, and 6 half baths, all of which are individually furnished with opulent accents. The mansion's formal living room, large dining room, family room, and library are all equipped with impressive fireplaces and intricate woodwork. The Creek's spectacular outdoor spaces and planted gardens are among its most remarkable attractions. A 50-foot swimming pool, a tennis court, a pool house, and several outdoor lounging places with beautiful Georgica Pond views are all included on the property. Many famous people have lived at The Creeks, one of the most distinguished and private homes in the Hamptons, including former President Bill Clinton. It is a remarkable marvel of architecture and design because of its traditional shingle-style construction, opulent amenities, and breathtaking natural surroundings. On number 1, we have Sandcastle. In Bridgehampton, New York, stands the magnificent Sandcastle estate, which is renowned for its grandeur and opulent features. The stunning 31,000 square foot estate, which is located on 11.5 acres of land, was constructed in 2005 by renowned architect, builder, and owner Joe Farrell. The sandcastle is built in a sleek and sophisticated architectural style, distinguished by its broad expanses of glass, clean lines, and modern accents. The mansion's 8 bedrooms, 11 full bathrooms, and 3 half bathrooms each have opulent finishes and cutting-edge technology. The mansion's many features include a full-size basketball court, a home theater, a bowling alley, a half-pipe skate ramp, and a rock-climbing wall. The sandcastle also has a jacuzzi, a pool house with a full kitchen and an outdoor shower, and a 60-foot swimming pool with a waterfall. The sandcastle, which has been highlighted in several publications and television shows, is regarded as one of the most spectacular and opulent mansions in the Hamptons. Those looking for the pinnacle of luxury living will find it to be the ideal hideaway thanks to its sleek and contemporary design and opulent amenities. We hope you enjoyed learning about the fascinating history and architecture of these magnificent homes, and that you're now inspired to explore this legendary destination for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy exploring!